Brace yourselves. A potential tropical depression might form near the southeast coast. Current weather insights. Imagine the southeast coast facing a significant weather event this weekend. The National Hurricane Center is keeping a close watch on a developing weather system that could potentially turn into a tropical or subtropical depression. The forecast warns that regardless of its classification, a spate of stormy conditions will reach from Florida to the coastal regions of Georgia and the Carolinas. When and how will this develop? For a tropical or a subtropical depression to form, we first need a low-pressure system to develop near a weakening weather front over the southeast Atlantic waters. Should this low-pressure area become more organized, we might see the emergence of a subtropical or tropical depression over the weekend into early next week. However, conditions in the atmosphere are only marginally favorable, so the expected development is likely to be slow and not very robust. The National Hurricane Center does not anticipate any system becoming particularly strong or well organized if it does form. What if it strengthens? In the event that this system intensifies into a tropical storm, it would receive the name Chantal. Interested in learning more? Check out 5 ways tropical storms could form. https://storms/hurricane due in 2025/03 on how hurricanes, tropical storms can form in multiple ways to deepen your understanding. Impacts. What to expect. Whether it develops or not, the broad weather system associated with this scenario means rain showers, thunderstorms, and strong winds will hit Florida, southeast Georgia, and the coastal Carolinas over the next few days. These stormy conditions will initially target regions of Florida, including Tampa, Orlando, Daytona Beach, and Miami, but will also extend to the southeast coast later in the weekend. These thunderstorms can occur in multiple rounds or bands, and can persist longer than typical afternoon or evening thunderstorms. As a result, there's a risk of localized flash flooding in some areas. Thinking about hitting the beach this holiday weekend? The forecast is unpredictable, so it's wise to have a backup plan and a secure place to avoid lightning. Don't forget, the holiday weekend also brings a heightened risk of rip currents along the southeast coast. Always pay attention to the warning flags at the beaches and steer clear of the water if the flags indicate danger. More insights on ocean safety? Check out what flags mean for ocean conditions at beaches. Hopefully better. Lastly, if you've got something you want to cover, or how close we are to you soon, consider joining up. Jennifer Gray has been a dedicated weather and climate journalist at weather.com for over 20 years, covering some of the most significant weather stories worldwide. What do you think about the possibility of a subtropical depression forming? Could it cause more problems than usual storm systems? Let's discuss in the comments.